Hello students, this is your next video on the chapter multiplication of decimals. This is the topic from the chapter decimals. So this is the second video on the topic multiplication of decimals. So in this video I am going to explain you how to multiply a decimal by a whole number. अभी तक मैंने आपको डेसिमल नंबर को 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 इन सभी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना सिखाया था. Now in this video I will explain you how to multiply a decimal by a whole number. Whole number means a number which is not having a decimal. ऐसे किसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना जिसमें कोई डेसिमल पॉइंट ना हो. So the first step which we need to follow is multiply without the decimal point. पहले हम क्या करेंगे, बिना डेसिमल पॉइंट के मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Multiply without decimal point. Right students? Now the second step is what you have to do? Mark the decimal point in the product to have as many places of decimals as there are in the given decimal. आपको डेसिमल पॉइंट्स कैसे मार्क करने हैं? जैसे आपका कोई डेसिमल नंबर दिया हो, फॉर एग्जांपल 2.023 and you have to multiply it by 15. आपको इसे किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? 15 से. So what you have to do? The first step is 2023 बिना डेसिमल के you will write the number without the decimal and then you will multiply it by 15 and whatever the result is, जो भी आपका आंसर आएगा उस आंसर में firstly what you have to do, count the number of digits after the decimal. 1, 2, 3. How many digits are there? 3 digits are there after the decimal. हमें राइट साइड से काउंट करना है, डेसिमल के बाद से. Now when we are going to put the decimal point, we have to start from here. यहाँ से हमें गिनने हैं आंसर, हमारा जो रिजल्ट आया होगा from the answer, from the result 1, 2, 3. आपके 3 डिजिट्स के बाद यहाँ पे डेसिमल पॉइंट आएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे 1, 2, 3 आया है. So the decimal point will be after the 3 digits because यहाँ पे कितने digits थे? 3 digits थे. Now I am going to explain you the exercises question based on this. So please pay attention students. हमारे exercise 3C में there are some question based on this. So I am going to explain you that because examples makes the picture more clear. आपको चीजें ज्यादा समझ में आती हैं by the help of examples. So I am going to solve question number 4 of exercise 3C. ये आपका class work है. You have to do these questions in your class work copy. So the option which I am going to solve is option number 7. Which option I am going to solve? It is option number 7. So here we have to multiply 6.032 into 124. आपको किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? By 124. Right students? Now I am going to multiply 6032 124. The first step is remove the point. पॉइंट हटा के आप जैसे जनरल मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, द स्टैंडर्ड मल्टीप्लिकेशन 4 2s 8, 4 3s 12, 4 6s 24, 2 2s 4, 2 3s 6, 2 0s 0, 2 6s 12. Now again 1 2s 2, 1 3s 3, 1 0s 0, 1 6s 6. This is 0 and this is 6. Now I have to add these. When I am going to add, here it will be 8, 6, 9, 7, 4, 7. Now what we have to do? Which number is having decimal? This number is having decimal. So we have to count from the right hand side after the decimal. 1, 2, 3. How many digits are there? There are 3 digits after the decimal. So 1, 2, 3. From the extreme right we have to count and we will go towards left. तो यहाँ पे 3 नंबर के बाद मैंने क्या लगा दिया? पॉइंट. So this is the answer 747.968. Now the next option which I am going to solve is option number 3. So please pay attention students. So So the option number 3 is 0.854 multiplied by 12. Now I am going to multiply. यहाँ पे आपका 0.854 है, तो there is no point of writing this 0. जब हम लोग point हटाएंगे तो we will write this number directly like this. 854 multiplied by 12. Now 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17. 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5, 1 8s are 8. Now what is the answer? The answer will be, we have to count till where, from where I have to place the point. इसके लिए हमें क्या करना होगा? पहले we have to count from here on the right hand side after the decimal point. decimal points के बाद कितने डिजिट हैं? 1 2 3. अब हम लोग यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे from the extreme right and go towards the left. 1 2 3. तो where will be the point? The point will be here. 10.248. Now I am going to solve ninth option. थोड़ा सा complicated है, so please pay attention. मैं ऐसे ही ऑप्शन चूज करती हूँ जिन्हें देख के मुझे लगता है कि हाँ there might be a difficulty for some of the students to solve that options. So 0.00125 multiplied by 327. Right students? Now the step 1 is remove the decimal point and write the number. अब इन दोनों जीरो को लिखने का कोई मतलब नहीं है. We have removed the decimal point. Now I am going to multiply it for you. So 7 5s are 35, 3 carry, 7 2s are 14. It will be 17, 7 1s are 7. Here it will be 8. Now here it will be across. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 5 2 1s are 2. Again 2 crosses. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6 7, 3 1s are 3. Right students? Now what will be the answer? Here it will be 5 7 18 10. Here it will be 4. So what we have got as the answer? 40875. Now we have to count the number of digits after this decimal. कितने decimals हैं? एक डेसिमल है. इस डेसिमल के बाद कितने डिजिट्स है? वी हैव टू काउंट लाइक दिस ऑन दिस साइड. 1 2 3 4 5. हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स आर देयर? 5 digits. So we have to count like this. From the right we have to come towards left. 1 2 3 4 5. यानी कि हमारा पॉइंट इससे पहले आएगा यहाँ पे. तो जब आपका पूरे रिजल्ट से पहले पॉइंट आ गया तो आपको यहाँ पे एक जीरो ऐड करना होगा. So what will be the answer? 0.40875. Now I am going to solve the fifth option of this question number 4. जो options मुझे ऐसा लगा can be difficult for you, I have solved only those options. So the fifth option I am going to solve it for you. So in this option we have to multiply 4.125 with the number 86. हमें किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? विद द नंबर 86. सो 4125. आई हैव रिमूव्ड द डेसिमल एंड आई एम सिंपली मल्टीप्लाइंग इट फॉर यू. 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12, 15, 6 1s are 6 7, 6 4s are 24. Now 8 5s are 40, 8 2s are 16, 20, 8 1s are 8, 10, 8 4s are 32, 33. Right students? Now I am going to add it for you. So here it will be 0 5 7 4 5 3. This is the answer. Now what we have to do? Count like this after the decimal. 1 2 3. Now we have to come from the right towards the left. 1 2 3. So the answer will be 354.75. जीरो भी लिख सकते हैं या आप इस जीरो को हटा भी सकते हैं, बिकॉज जो जीरो एक्सट्रीम राइट में होता है आप वहां पे चाहे जितने जीरो ऐड कर दें. I have already explained you the zeros at the extreme right do not change the value of decimals. We can add so many zeros. So it's totally up to us. Now I am going to explain you the next question, that is question number 5. So students, please pay attention. For that I have to explain you the another topic of multiplication, which will be multiplication of our decimal not by the whole number. Here the multiplication of the number will be एक डेसिमल नंबर का दूसरे डेसिमल नंबर से बाय डेसिमल नंबर्स। हम लोगों को एक डेसिमल नंबर का दूसरे डेसिमल नंबर से मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so for that I am going to explain you the first step. So the first step is multiply without decimals. पहले क्या करेंगे आप? Remove the decimal points. Multiply without decimals. Remove the decimal point and multiply without decimal. Now the second step will be count the number of decimal places. कितनी decimal places है उसको क्या करना है? काउंट करना है। सॉरी स्टूडेंट्स, count the number of decimal places. आपको कितनी decimal places हैं उनको क्या करना है? काउंट करना है। So after counting the number of decimal places in both the numbers, किसी एक नंबर में नहीं, आपको दोनों नंबर का काउंट करना है। For example, it is 4.14 and you have to multiply it by 2.0984. तो आप पहले डेसिमल हटा के सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, but when you will get the result you have to count like this 1 2 दो प्लेसेस यहाँ पे हैं 3 4 5 6. So in our result हमको from the extreme right towards the left we have to count how many numbers? We have to count 6 digits. Then after that we have to place the point. So this is how we will multiply the decimal numbers with the decimal numbers. So I am going to explain you some questions on the basis of this, of the same exercise. और ये questions आपके क्या होंगे? That will be your classwork. So please pay attention students. So this is question number 5. So the first option which I am going to explain is option number 4. So we have 0.568 multiplied by 4.9. क्या है हमारे पास? 0.568 multiplied by 4.9. तो after removing the decimal it will be like this 568 multiplied by 49. तो ये आपका पहला स्टेप है। 9 8 जा 72, 7 कैरी, 9 6 जा 54, 54 आपका 54 प्लस 7 it will be 61. Then 9 5 जा 45, 45 plus 6 it will be 51. 4 8 जा 32, 4 6 जा 24, 27, 4 5 जा 20, 22. Now I am going to add 2 3 8 7 2. This is the answer. Now this first step is over. What is the second step? Count the number of decimal places. 1 2 3 4. How many decimal places are there in these two numbers in total? दोनों को add कर देना है. So there are 4 decimal places. So 1 2 3 4. So here it will be the decimal point. Now I am going to explain you the next option, that is option number 7. So in this option we have to multiply 0.06 with the number 0.38. हमें किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? 0.06 with the number 0.38. So we have to remove the decimals and here I have removed. मैंने 38 को ऊपर ले लिया. So as I told you that multiplication of any number is commutative. तो आप मैंने 38 को ऊपर लिया है, आंसर सेम आएगा यहाँ पे। तो 6 8 जा 48, 4 कैरी, 6 3 जा 18, 18 plus 4 22. ये हमारा आंसर है 228. Now what we have to do? We have to count the decimal places. इस नंबर में कितनी है? 1 2 3 4. तो हम लोगों के पॉइंट के बाद 4 प्लेसेस कवर होनी चाहिए. There should be 4 places after the point. पॉइंट के बाद 4 प्लेसेस होनी चाहिए. 1 2 3. अब यहाँ पे कोई नंबर नहीं है तो we will add 0 like this and then we will add the point, then again 1 0. So the answer will be 0.0228. How many places are there? 1 2 3 4. 4 places, right students? Now I am going to solve the next option, which is option number 3. So please pay attention students. This option I think option number 9. So I am explaining it for you. So it is 0.014. You have to multiply it by 0.46. So the first step is ignore all the decimals and zeros. 14 will be multiplied by 46. Either you multiply 14 by 46 or you can multiply 46 by 14. दोनों केसेस में आपका आंसर सेम आएगा बिकॉज मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज कम्यूटेटिव, राइट। तो मैं 46 को भी 14 से कर सकती हूँ, 14 को भी 46 से कर सकती हूँ। दोनों केसेस में हमारा आंसर सेम आएगा। सो हियर आई एम डूइंग इट फॉर यू। सो 4 6 24, 2 कैरी, 4 4 16, 18 हो गया, 1 6 1 4 So what is the answer, students? The answer is 644. And now the second step. अब हमारा second step यहाँ से शुरू होता है. Count the decimal places after the decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many decimal places are there? 5 places हैं. तो we have to cover 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. अब हम लोग यहाँ पे डेसिमल लगा देंगे and like this we will write the answer. So the answer is 0.00644. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. हम लोगों ने 5 places cover कर ली, right students? Now I am going to explain you option number 12th of this question. So please pay attention, students. In option number 12, we have to multiply 1.245 with 6.4. So as per the first step, we have to remove the decimals. 1245 is going to be multiplied by 64. Decimals remove कर दिए, 4 5 are 20, 4 4 are 16, 17 18, 1 carry, 4 2 are 8 9, 4 1 are 4. Now the next step, 6 5 are 30, 6 4 are 24, 27, 6 2 are 12, 13 14, 6 1 are 6, 7. Now I am going to add it for you. 9 plus 7 will be 16. Here it will be 1 carry, so here it will be 9. So the answer is 79680. Now what we have to do? Count the number of decimal places after the decimal in both the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. कितनी places हैं? 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it will be the decimal. The answer will be 7.9680. Right students? Now I am going to explain you the 6th question. आपका 6th question भी इसी concept पे है. That is based on the same concept. So you have to solve that also in your classroom copy. And please watch the whole video in order to understand every concept clearly. So इसमें आपको 3 चीज़ें दी हुई हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 का मैं 4th ऑप्शन सॉल्व करने जा रही हूँ. 0.2 multiplied by 0.02 multiplied by 0.002. Right students? Now we have 3 numbers. कितने नंबर मिले हमको? 3 numbers. So we are going to follow the same things. क्या करेंगे आप लोग? पहले आप डेसिमल पॉइंट्स को इग्नोर करके तीनों नंबर्स नोट करिए. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. What is the answer? 8. Now as per the rule we have to count the number of decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. कितनी places है बेटा? There are 6 places after the decimal point. तो डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद 6 प्लेसेस होनी चाहिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the answer. The answer will be 0.000008. थोड़ा सा आपको कंफ्यूजिंग लगेगा, but if you do not understand, watch it again. Now I am going to solve the first option of this question. इससे शायद आपको ज़्यादा समझ में आए. 13 multiplied by 1.3 multiplied by 0.13. Here also we have 3 numbers. Now ignore the decimals. Ignoring the decimals, we have to multiply 13 3 times. हमें 13 को 3 बार क्या करना है? We have to multiply. Now 13 13s are 169 होता है 13 का स्क्वायर. There is one more 13, so 169 multiplied by 13. Now I'm going to multiply 169 by 13. 3 9s are 27, 2 carry, 3 6 are 18, 20 हो गया, 3 1s are 3, 4 5. Now 1 9s are 9, 1 6 are 6, 1 1s are 1. Now I'm going to add it for you. So the answer is 2197. What is the answer? Answer is 2197. हमारा आंसर जो आया है इस ऑप्शन का दैट इज 2197. पहला स्टेप कंप्लीट. नाउ वी हैव टू डू द सेकंड स्टेप. पॉइंट के बाद कितने नंबर्स हैं? 1 2 3. 1 2 3. So the decimal point will be here. Now I am going to solve the sixth option of this question. आपका I think this will be the last question of this video. And I hope you all have understood also. आपको समझ में अच्छे से आ गया होगा. So students, the sixth option is 2.1 multiplied by 0.21 multiplied by 0.021. As you all can see that यहाँ पे 21 ही है 3 times. When we are removing the decimal points, there are 3 times 21. हमको 3 बार 21 मिला है. So the square of 21 is 441. अब इसमें एक बार आप क्या मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे? 21. So I am going to multiply it for you. Please pay attention. 1 1s are 1, 1 4s are 4. Here it will be a cross. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. So once we will add, what will be the answer? Here it will be 1 6 9 2 6 1 is the answer. Now what we have to do? 9 2 6 1. We have to count the number of decimal places. हम लोग count करेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6. तो आपका आंसर क्या होगा? 1 2 3 4 5 6. देन आपका पॉइंट लगेगा. So the answer will be 0.009261 because we have to cover 6 places after the decimal. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now this is up to this. Now I'm without wasting your time, I just want to tell you that all the things which I have solved in this video are your classwork and the options which I have skipped. मैंने जितने भी ऑप्शन छोड़ दिए बीच में, all the options are your homework. I hope you all have understood well. Thank you students.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.